Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing flower leaf decoration model. Let me show it to you how it looks. So this is the flower leaf decoration model. As you can see, it looks really beautiful and it's super simple to make. So without further delay, let's begin. Guys, for this leaf deco model, we'll need a rectangular piece of paper. This you can obtain 4 from an A4 sheet of paper, so you can just cut out one rectangle out of it. And first we'll just fold it half, fold it again, and fold it again. Basically we need to make a zigzag pattern. Here don't fold it again, otherwise there will be a thick crease. So I'll just fold it like this, one half on this side and the entire section on the other side. Press it tightly. This is a very easy model which is used for decoration purposes. Now open this entire stuff. Now you need to make a zigzag pattern. So this one goes up, one goes down, one goes up, and then one should go down here, one goes up, one should go down. You have the creases already made, so all you need to do is just fold along those creases and then press it tightly. As you can see, a zigzag pattern. Now press it tightly again. You need to add a staple it over at this end. Staple it properly, and then here you need to draw a section like this. You need to cut this section. So let me cut it and I'll be back. I'm back and I've cut this section. Now all you need to do is just open this properly like this, one by one. Fold it till the end like this, and it gives a proper tree-like shape or a leaf shape. So this is the final leaf tree deco model. You can make such multiple structures and then decorate an entire wall or a Christmas tree or multiple such stuff. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next week. Peace. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. It's a very easy model to make and it looks really beautiful, and this acts as a building block or a part for a really beautiful decorative item overall, which I'll be doing in next video. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal, thank you so much, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.